Hi, attorney Roy Oppenheim. How are you? For Oppenheim Law. I want to talk a little bit about contract drafting and contract review. I mean, when people sign contracts, a lot of times they do them on DocuSign. I don't even know if they're really reading them or not. It's a real problem when stuff is digital. I think the likelihood that someone's going to really read the contract carefully is much less than if it's in paper. Regardless, if you're being asked to sign some kind of contract, and it's important to you, you need to read it, and you ought to have an attorney explain it to you so they understand, and if possible, revise it so that it's favorably to you, or at least not unfavorable. And a lot of times people say, "Oh, you can't change the contract." Most contracts you can change and mark up. So when people say that, I never want to hear it. So if you're being asked to sign a contract, and it's not something like for Netflix or something that obviously you're not going to be able to change, but anything short of that, an employment agreement or an independent contractor agreement, you ought to have someone look at. At the flip side, if you're a business, and you're presenting contracts to people, you shouldn't be trying to put them together through cutting and pasting different versions that you're finding on the internet and then trying to have AI answer it for you. We're not there where you can get rid of attorneys yet. In 10 years, yeah, you'll be able to do it. But right now, you still need an attorney to review what you're putting together. If you want to draft something and then have someone look at it, great, fine. But if you're a business, you ought to consider having someone look at those agreements. And if you're going to have someone look at those agreements regularly, you should consider the Oppenheim Law flat fee concierge program, because it'll be a lot cheaper and you won't have to figure out who's going to review your work each time. So Roy Oppenheim from the trenches. Thank you.